Have a favorite tote bag, but it doesn't have a pocket? Let's add one with some fabric, super tack, scissors, a ruler, and an iron. So we're going to cut our fabric down to size, and this is a no-sew project. So let's do a finished edge by folding the fabric over and creasing it with our iron. We're going to use super tack, which is a fast grab, crystal clear, and permanent strong hold. So we are going to do a mitered corner just so it has a more polished look, and we're going to continue to finish those edges. Now let's add it to our tote bag, and we are going to use super Fabri-Tac again because that strong hold is going to allow us to use this pocket every day with some heavier items. This only took a few minutes and it came out so great.